Israelna Yemen gi mathakta achouba attack ama chathakre. India gi west lomda leiba Yemen asida Prithivida leiriba country kayana terrorist organization amane haina khangnariba Houthi rebellion asi mafam asida lei. Israel na F-35 fighter jet asi sijinnaraga Yemen gi mathakta achouba attack ama chathaki. Attack asi gi video clip asi fazana viral oiba haibadu oiki. Masina Yemen gi Hudaydat port ani Israel na bomb thadaduna complete and utter destruction to aliba asi. Matang asida hangba yaba wahangna karidamak Israel na Yemen gi mathakta attack asi chattharibano haiba asini. Attack asi na history da ahanba oina Israel na maramdamdagi lapna laktuna Yemen da bomb thadakiba thaudo ama oiri. Thaudo asigi matangda explain taunaba Israeli government na thadorokpa video amata puneng minakisi. Geopolitical gi tamda Israel's attack on Yemen haiba sa asuki matik maru oiba thaudo ama oire. 2024 asida Israel strike on Yemen haina Wikipedia gi page ama fauba create tawkrabane. Thaudo asida mioi taruk hena siki lonana mioi marifu hena aso opan nanganki. Thaudo asigi matangda Israeli government na proper reason ke asu pirak.
One of Iran's proxies have launched over 220 projectiles against Israel from Yemen. They have targeted international trade routes and foreign vessels, attempting to destabilize international economy. The Houthis' main goal is to govern all of Yemen with a radical Islamist ideology, and as their charter says, bring death to Israel, the United States, and many other foreign countries.
Houthi rebellions in the Yemen bu makoi gi makada thamba pami. Houthi rebellions kanguna ifong na Israel de attack chathagani haiba wafam asa mamang su haikrabani. Karigumba USA na Israel da support torokpa taragadi USA gi matakta su attack asi chathagani haiba su laikre. Asida sunatana India gi maikai da lakpa forensic kayabu makoina attack chathaduna foreigner kayabu hatpa amadi lanpha oina pukibagi thodok kayasu laikrabani.
With this goal in mind, they have attempted hijacking international vessels with false ties to Israel, as well as killing foreign civilians and holding many captive. These Houthis' attacks are acts of aggression, threatening both the Middle East and the wider world. This week, after the Houthis launched an Iranian explosive UAV at Tel Aviv,
Masida mahangna hairiba asi hanakta Israel da chathakiba thongdo adugi matangdani. Houthi rebellion singna Iran na saba UAV sijinnaraga Israel gi capital ama oiriba Tel Aviv ta chathakiba attack asida Israel gi missile system na matam chana ngaktokpa ngamkide. Aduna Tel Aviv hairiba mafam asida misimina amadi amangata kya ama thoki. Masigi revenge ama oina.
We operated in self-defense and struck their bases of operation and infrastructure at the El Hudaydah port in Yemen. The IDF will not tolerate any sort of threats, terrorism, or attacks toward our civilians. And as we proved this Saturday, we will act wherever necessary to protect our people.
Asumna Pakistan bu oigera Afghanistan bu oigera wainingba country ama hekta oisanu Israel gi civilians singi mafam da attack chatharpa taragadi fana lapa mafam da bu oirabasu mafam adu da chatuna hallaga attack chathagani haina phongdokre. Handaki Yemen gi attack asisu Israel dagi 1800 km lapna laktuna chathakiba attack amani. Losilakpa asida mayam gi damak interesting oiraba amadi informative oiraba video kaya ama puduna lakpada thawai happy boina channel sibu support to biram.